Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia Arndt, and I'm a stress and mindfulness trainer, personal development coach, and keynote speaker. And today we are going to speak about the positive effects of stress, because stress is actually really important for us, and we're going to dive into why that is. But before we're jumping into the topic today, just a really quick reminder. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome, and please make sure to subscribe. Right down here, there's a subscribe button to my YouTube channel to really learn more about stress management and personal development and what stress management and personal development have actually in common. And there's also a little bell that you can hit just right to the subscribe button. And when you're hitting that bell, you receive regular notifications when I'm posting new content on this channel. And I'm posting new videos every Monday and every Friday. Okay, so let's jump into why is stress important? So in order to understand what is actually happening when we are being stressed, it is really important to understand what is happening in our bodies. So let's look at what is going on. So first of all, there's a stress trigger, like for example, a work deadline, or you're standing in traffic, or you are having a fight with your kids. So that's a stress trigger. So your brain senses that information. Your brain takes that information in, and with that information activates the sympathetic nervous system. And the sympathetic nervous system actually releases different stress hormones, such as cortisol and adrenaline, that are sitting on the kidneys, on the adrenal glands. That's where those two main hormones are produced. And then we get, for example, tense muscles and an increased heart rate. And then that's kind of when we are sensing stress. But stress is maybe not the right word almost to use in this context, because when you hear stress and positive, it's kind of a contradiction, right? Or it's almost like a positive and a negative thing, but no, because very naturally, our body is actually producing cortisol and adrenaline as soon as you get up in the morning. So when you're looking at different graphs of how our hormone levels are balanced regularly, if you're healthy and if everything is working the way it's supposed to be, then in the morning you have a very natural spike of cortisol and adrenaline in order to get your day started, in order to get out of bed, in order to walk, in order to function, in order to drive to work and have conversations, in order to focus on your job. So it's really important that you are stressed. Stress is important for you. The only problem with stress is that we have too much of it. And when you're having too much of it, you're having too much adrenaline and cortisol, and our hormone levels are starting to be in imbalance, and then stress can become a problem. But it doesn't have to be. We actually need stress in order to be productive, in order to be motivated, concentrated, and deliver great results. And I hope this video made it really clear to you. It's really short and crisp today, and I have a lot of other videos around stress management, personal development, what kind of tools you can use in order to better manage stress and get from that negative level of stress that I just mentioned back to the positive level of stress, because you really need it. So if you have any questions or if you have any comments on this video, please feel free to share them with me. I'm always so excited to hear from you. I wish you a wonderful week, and I talk to you really, really soon. With gratitude, Julia.